Comes in a pretty nice kit.
So it comes with a little user manual. Put that aside. Let's get into this. So here we have the wire clipper or wire cutter, side cutter, you name it. That's it. Next we have the what's this called again? Tweezer, yeah, tweezer. So it is a pretty standard tweezer, I guess, for picking up small stuff like resistors and so forth, diodes. Next we have the handy knife or utility knife.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Utility knife. Now it's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but I guess it's okay. Next we have the screwdriver. Now it has something like a fuse or something inside of it. Normally they call something like this neon screwdriver. Look, neonish. Now it has a. This is a two-sided screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver and a standard screwdriver. So it also comes with 5 extra soldering tips. Pretty nice. It also comes with a soldering paste, otherwise known as Rosin. One black electrical tape, a standard desoldering pump, soldering iron, now this is model 916, 110 volts and 60 watts. Now it has a max of 450 degrees Celsius and 200 degrees Celsius minimum. In order to replace the soldering tip, you have to remove the metal case, so it screw right off, and you slide on the soldering tip on the heating element. Now it also have a on and off switch, which I find very interesting, so that you don't have to keep unplugging the cord in order to prevent it from overheating. Now this, I have never seen one like this before. It's a case for the soldering iron. Now that's a big deal, but what the hell? Now the solder wire. Good amount. If you're not doing much soldering, it will last you some time. Now over to the multimeter. It doesn't come with a battery, but so you have to purchase your own AAA battery. So it uses two AAA batteries. Now on the lower section where you have that Wi-Fi looking symbol, you test your continuity, and from there up you test your resistance from 200 to 2 mil resistance. Now here above your Wi-Fi looking symbol, you will test your diodes. Over here it tests your DC voltage from 200 millivolts to 600 volts max. On this side you test your alternating voltage from 200 volts to 600 volts max. Over here you test your battery voltage anywhere from 1.5 volts to 9 volts. Over here you test your amperage anywhere from 2 milliamp to 10 amps max. Now this is only DC amperage. A pair of probes. The black in the middle at the common and your red at the right to test anything otherwise from DC amperage. Now when you're testing DC amperage, the red goes to the extreme left where you see 10 amps max on the fuse, and the black stays in the middle at the common. So overall, it's a nice kit for under 50 US dollars. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on another one.
Catch 'em all.